Turns out the bearing has deleted itself. So, the obvious solution to this, if you're fixing this on a budget, the obvious solution is to just delete the cylinder entirely. You can see that's where it all went, right there. So, all right, the operation is finished. Are you ready for this, dude? No, not really. Did it just lock up? Levi re-welded the piston up top, so it shouldn't fall back into the crank again. It runs! It freaking runs! Let's go!
Bro, this is momentous.
It runs! There's a Bluetooth piston in there, dude. There's not even a check engine light. Ooh, it sounds so wacky. Kinda sounds like a Fiesta. It doesn't have very much power at all. I mean, it's got some power. Ooh, check engine light. It thinks it's misfiring. Oh, we're losing power fast. It's not stoked. No shot, no shot. Oh! Oh! He's spicy with it! He's spicy with it! Oh! Oh my... No way, dude! That was tight, yo! Alright, cold start on 3 cylinders. 7 degrees out. Alright, we're getting this car one more chance to start up. I think it's a sign of the times. I think this car gave us all she got, and I'm not really willing to put up with it anymore. Holy so you guys are aware, this is 300 pounds. It's gotta be more than that. Huh? It's gotta be more than that. Might be 350 actually. Yeah. Crumpled.
That's a little too easy, I think. Yo! Let's go! Oh, and the HVAC and the MP3. Oh, it missed. It missed narrowly. Oh, he's bent out of shape now. Did it pop a freeze plug out? Look. No shot. No, what the? Oh, it freaking stabbed the freeze plug out, man. My aim's nuts. No way. Oh, nice. Pretty big toll on the old girl. Drove this car every day for a year.